The width of a rectangle is 7 cm less than its length. If the width is increased by 5 cm and the length is doubled, the area is increased by 300%. What was the area of the original rectangle? So let us see here. Let us try to draw first the original rectangle. Okay? So for example, this one. Now, according to the problem, the width of the rectangle is 7 cm less than its length. So shall we say the length is x? Okay, that's the length. And the width will be x minus 7, right? Because it says 7 cm less than its length. And if the width is increased by 5 cm, okay, so let us try to draw another rectangle. The width is increased by 5 cm and the length is double. So shall we say, let us have this bigger rectangle here. Okay, now, according to here, the width is increased by 5 cm. So this will now be x minus 7 plus 5 is actually x minus 2, right? And the length is doubled. So which means instead of x, you now have a 2x. The area is increased by 300%. So let us see, what is the original area here? Originally, the area for this case is just x times x minus 7, right? Or shall we say that's actually x squared minus 7x. Here, the new area here will be, what is the new area in this case? Area for this case is 2x times x minus 2. Okay? 2x times x minus 2. And according to the problem, the area is increased by 300%. Which means what? Which means, and we need to be very, very careful in this part, because increased by 300% simply means that this area, this new area, okay, let me write that in an equation form. This new area, I'll write it here, 2x times, I think I should use another color, green, 2x times x minus 2. Okay, I'm not simplifying it yet. 2x times x minus 2 is equal to, oh, I think I need space. Okay, maybe here. 2x times x minus 2 is equal to this, originally this, so x times x minus 7 plus 300%, meaning increased 300%, meaning plus 3 times that one. Okay, 3x times x minus 7. All in all, it's actually 4 times, right? If we try to simplify that, it could actually mean that we do have, I'm not actually expanding it yet because it seems like things will cancel out. So 2x times x minus 2 is equal to, if I add that one, simply means it's equal to 4 times x minus 7. I hope you can see that. Okay, and you just need to be very careful with that one. 300% increase means actually the area becomes fourfold, 4 times the original. Okay, now I think we can see here that x can cancel out. Okay, also with the 4 partly, we're now left with just 2 here. Okay, and I think this has now converted into a lot simpler equation, linear one. X minus 2 is equal to 2 times x minus 7. Or if we simplify that further here, I hope you can still follow, x minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 14. Putting all the variable on the right, it will become what? Here it will become x, and that will become there a 12. Okay, so in this case, x is what? X is 12 for sure, so meaning the length is 12 and the width is 5. So the original area will be, the question is asking for, what is the original area? Well, of course, the answer will be 12 times 5, that's a 60 centimeter square. Okay, it's quite a long It's quite the way I solve is quite messy, but I hope you're able to follow. Thank you.